LeetCode, add two numbers. Let's see the prompt. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digits. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros except the number 0 itself. And so over here we have our first example. And so yeah, let's see, if you get 2 and you add it with 5, you end up getting 7. 4 and 6 is 10. Carry that 1 and you get 3, 4, which is going to be 8. And then over here we have our input, our output, and yeah. So then let's see, how should we go about this? So we're going to need to create a new list, a list node, and probably a carry variable so that we don't have to miss out on that. Like, 2 plus 5 is simple. We just add that, move on to the next node. But 4 and 6, if we just keep this as 10 and we go to the next one, 3 and 4 would be 7. So we need to have an edge case for that just in case. And yeah, let's begin. So let's create our carry variable. Let's set that to 0. And then let's create a result. So let result equal a new list node. And we're going to have this start at -1. So we'll have just a previous node. So later at the end, we can just tell it to follow the next node. And yeah, it'll make sense at the end. And let's create a dummy. We'll set this to the result. And let's create our while loop. So while L1 or L2 or the carry are not null. So while these all have a value, let L1 val equal L1 if there's a node, and if not, L1.val. If not, let's set it to 0. This way we don't get any errors. So yeah, and we'll do the same thing with val2. Just copy and paste. And then say let next digit equal L1's val plus L2's val plus the carry L2 val. Spelled those wrong. L2 val. And then we will modulo 10. Okay. After this, say result dot next is equal to new list node, the value of the next digit, and the result. We'll just set that to the result.next. So now we're actually updating this. Oh, lots of typos today. And let's set our carry. Carry will be math.floor. And then let's go with L1 val plus L2 val plus the carry if it was previously there. And divide this by 10. And then we will just update the val. So L1 is equal to L2 or L1 if there's a value. Set that to L1.next. Else we'll set it to null. And L2, if there is a value, set that to L2.next. Else null. And then we are just going to return our result. So let's do return dummy.next. And so this should return, this is behind our previous node. So it's right here. So it should return the 7 or whichever our first number is. So let's just run this. Time here is O of n. That'll also be O of n. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll feel free to answer.